guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing things just a little bit differently than normal. Usually we do some sort of beauty tutorial, but this time I wanted to sit down and talk about something that I love, a place that I am completely obsessed with, and that place would be Trader Joe's. Now, I did an Instagram poll a couple weeks ago asking everyone if they loved Trader Joe's as much as me, and the results were 100% yes. Everyone is obsessed with Trader Joe's. It's not just me. They have amazing food, amazing wine, and for some people that don't know, they have amazing beauty products. And so today I wanted to sit down and talk about the top 5 beauty products that I get at Trader Joe's that I've been using for years, that I love, and that I know work. So without further ado, let's get to it. All right guys, so I am starting with my #1 product that I've been using for years. I've been using it since high school. Before I lived in an area that had a Trader Joe's, we used to literally drive 45 minutes to Trader Joe's, not only to get this product, but to get other things. And this is one of the products that I have been completely obsessed with. This would be the Trader Joe's Coconut Body Butter. Now this coconut body butter is so thick, it is so creamy and so rich. It goes on your skin so well and has a velvety finish, and it smells absolutely amazing. It's like summer in a jar, no joke. It has such a good whipped consistency, and it really just has so many ingredients that are so hydrating. It has shea butter, it has coconut, it has vitamin E oil, just so many hydrating ingredients that you can't go wrong with. And for a price tag of, I think, $4.99, you can't beat it. A body butter like this, if I went to Ulta or Sephora, would be close to probably $15. So this is just such an amazing product. Smells amazing. The smell stays on your skin, and it really keeps you hydrated throughout the day. You can't beat it. You can't beat it. All right, guys. So product number 2 that I want to share with you are the Trader Joe's Micellar Cleanser and Makeup Removing Wipes. These wipes are amazing because not only are they packed with the ingredients you need to remove your makeup, but they're also packed with a cleansing water. If you've ever used micellar water, you know how good that is for your skin as far as removing the rest of your makeup, toning your skin, and the best part is that they're mild and they're gentle, so you can use them on your eyes. I remove my eye makeup with them. I remove my face makeup with them. And sometimes I just use them if I'm not wearing makeup for a day. I use them to just wipe and refresh my face throughout the day. They're really amazing and super, super affordable. I think they're about $2.99. Another cool thing about these wipes is they don't contain any alcohol, so it's not going to be really strong on your skin. So if you have sensitive skin and oftentimes break out or have sensitivities to products with alcohol in them, you are safe to use these wipes and they'll be very gentle and smooth on your skin. So these are something I definitely keep in my bathroom, in my makeup bag, ready for when I need them. So the third product is one that I just recently discovered about a month ago, and I have been absolutely obsessed with it. It is the Trader Joe's Blueberry and Acai Facial Scrub. Alright, so this little guy knows how to pack a punch. It is filled with so many amazing nutrients from the blueberry and the acai, combined with alpha hydroxy acids to help really break down all the dead skin cells to reveal really clean and beautiful, fresh looking skin. And the thing I love about this is that it's very gentle. If you're used to a scrub that is really abrasive, this isn't going to be that. It is so smooth, so gentle on the skin. It smells like a smoothie bowl, like an acai bowl. Like I literally want to take a bite of it, which I can't, but it's making me hungry. So the way I use this product is after washing my skin, toning my skin, I like to put this on just a small amount and move it in upward circles on my face. It's really going to reveal such a fresh and hydrated skin. It does tingle a little bit when you're using it, but you feel so refreshed when you're done. As someone who has kind of a little bit of a sensitive skin, I haven't seen any issues with this. It's really worked well for my skin to smooth it, improve the texture, and I use it about 2 or 3 times a week. For I think about $5.99, this is an amazing, amazing product to kind of improve the texture and the surface of your skin. So the next product that I'm going to share with you is an old standby. It is always in my shower, never leaves. I go through tube after tube after tube and it never fails. This is the Shea Butter and Coconut Hair Mask. It has a similar scent to the body butter that I love. It's that tropical scent, kind of smells like a coconut macaroon, like a little sweet treat for your hair, but it's really amazing. The texture is very thick. A little bit goes a long way. They recommend on the back of the bottle to use it 2 or 3 times a week or as much as needed. Personally, I like to use it every single time I wash my hair. So that means I wash my hair, do my regular conditioner, and then I'll take some of this, put it in, wrap my hair up on the top of my head, pin it up, whatever you need to do, and then let it sit there and rest while I do the rest of the things. Exfoliate, shave, wash my body, exfoliate my body. All the things that take forever when you're in the shower, I let this sit while I do those. And when I'm done, I rinse it out and it really just reveals silky smooth locks. You'll notice when you brush your hair, there's so many less tangles. I notice when I blow dry my hair that it's a lot softer, it's a lot easier to manage. And as someone who has really frizzy, really coarse, thin hair, this has really improved the texture of my hair, and I can't speak of it enough. And for the price tag, I think it's $3.99. It's amazing because if you were to get a hair mask like this at another store, it would be close to $20 if you went to a beauty store. When you think of Trader Joe's, a lot of people think about all the healthy options they have as far as organic food and organic ingredients, and they really bring that over into their beauty products like this one. It really contains those good for your body ingredients that they're known for at an amazing price tag, which you can't beat. So this last product is another one that's kind of new to me. I discovered it a few weeks ago at Trader Joe's and have not been disappointed. I saw it and was intrigued because it contained 2 products that I really love. It is their Rosewater Facial Toning Spray. So I really wanted to try this product because it combines 2 things that I love so much: a refreshing rosewater spray and witch hazel. Witch hazel is something that I actually use every single day in my skincare routine. It's an amazing natural toner. It doesn't have the harsh chemicals, so it really tones in a more natural way. And then to combine that with a facial water, like rose water, creates this kind of magical cocktail where it's refreshing your skin, but it's also toning and tightening it. So I really wanted to try this because of that, and it has been amazing. It smells so fresh and light, really refreshing. It feels really good on your skin, and this is something that you can use with makeup on, without makeup on. If you're going through the day and you're starting to feel really dry, this is something you can spritz on really quick. It's going to make you feel really hydrated and kind of refresh that makeup on your skin. So those are my top Trader Joe's beauty finds. I really encourage you, whether you're just running to Trader Joe's for a quick snack, some of that $2 chuck, I know I go there for that. Whatever you're going there for, I really encourage you to take a look down that beauty aisle, try a couple of these products, see how they work for you. You can't beat the price, especially for like the lotion, for the hair mask. Those are things that you should be using every single day anyways. So to really replace maybe a more expensive product with something that's just as good, that has amazing organic ingredients, you can't beat it. And come on, it's Trader Joe's. We all love Trader Joe's. At least I do. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up below. Feel free to subscribe so that you will be notified every time I put out a new video, which I'm hoping will be about every week. And if you have any suggestions of what you'd like to see in an upcoming video, leave them in the comments below, or head over to our Instagram @AngeandTone and send me a message, comment on our photos. We would love to hear what you guys want to see, and I'll be here and see you guys next time. It is their Rosewater. Wait, you gotta take over YouTube? Maybe say hello to all of the YouTube people. Say hi. Say hi. I love Trader Joe's too.